Pipe Wrap A+ Wrap installation video. In this video, you will learn about the A+ Wrap system and how to successfully install the product. Installation of A+ Wrap materials should only be completed by a certified technician. For complete installation instructions, please consult our installation guide or a pipe wrap representative. There are three main methods to wrap the material on the pipe: layer over layer, spiral, and offset. In this video, we will focus on the layer over layer method. The ideal method for your application depends on several factors, including the size of the pipe, required repair zone, and repair thickness. The recommended installation method will be provided in the design package. When installing the A+ Wrap system, it is critical to follow these steps. Inspect the contents of the A+ Wrap kit. The kit will contain nearly everything you need for a successful installation. Other tools you may need on site include water, gallon water sprayer, gallon bucket, acetone, and surface prep tools. Surface preparation. Remove all soft coatings and media blast the pipe to a 2.5 mil profile, NACE 3 minimum. If media blasting is unavailable, mechanical preparation may be used. Verify with a pipe wrap representative first. Wipe the surface with a solvent such as acetone, toluene, or MEK. Load transfer filler. Mix the putty or paste until uniform in color and apply to any defects or applicable tinted areas such as seam welds or girth welds. Shape the filler to near net surface profile of pipe. Take care to ensure that no air pockets or voids are trapped underneath the filler. Adhesive primer. Mix equal parts of the adhesive primer until uniform per directions. Apply the primer to the pipe surface, ensuring an approximate 30 mil coverage. Allow the primer to sit until a peanut butter thickness is achieved. When ready, remove the A+ Wrap material from the foil pouch and submerge in water for 1 minute. After removing from water, wrap the material around the pipe while spraying each layer with water. Apply uniform tension and pull tightly during application. After the first 2 layers, on the edge of the repair, install the magnetic markers. When applying a new roll of material, be sure to overlap the previous endpoint by approximately 6 inches. Apply constrictor wrap. Tightly apply 4 to 6 layers of constrictor wrap over the repair. Lightly perforate the surface of the constrictor wrap to enable outgassing. Allow 2 hours for the A+ Wrap material to harden before removing the constrictor wrap. Afterwards, if needed, apply the pipe coating. For questions or further installation details, please refer to the A+ Wrap installation guide or call your local representative.